This is a Jarvis Lighting JPACK wall pack fixture, and I want to show you how to install it. When you open up the box, it's going to look like this. Got the light fixture, and there is a bracket on the back of it that comes pre-attached. To install it, the first thing you're going to do is back off these two screws. And you don't have to remove them, just back them off about halfway. That will free up this bracket. This bracket can be mounted to a 4-inch junction box. You can see there's a variety of hole sizes, so it mounts to pretty much everything on the market. You can also see there's a leveler gauge at the bottom, so you can make sure it's mounted perfectly level to that junction box so that the light fixture is level. So after you have this mounted to the junction box, you'll have your wires from the junction box kind of hanging out here. Take the light fixture, lift it up there. With the safety cable, you can hook it. So now the light fixture is supported and it's hanging. You can make your electrical connections, tuck them into the junction box, and then you can hook the light fixture on the top of this bracket right there. So at this point, the light fixture is just hanging against the wall on this bracket. Tighten these two screws on the bottom, make sure they're good and tight, and then the light fixture installation is complete. And that's how you install a Jarvis Lighting JPACK Series wall pack. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website, jarvislighting.com.